Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I did a product review, and finally I've been shopping a bit given that I'll be traveling sometime this year. So I need some automation in the house to get things going. And today I'll be reviewing the Kasa Smart plug. This one looks different because now that I'm in Toronto, Canada, the plugs are different. I used to be using the power strip by Kasa as well, TP-Link Kasa, the KP303, which is a 3 socket and 2 USBs. I use that for automation because I used to have a fish tank. I want to cycle the lights automatically so that the fish get some light and some shut eye during the morning. Alright, so this one is 2 singular plugs. This one is way cheaper, right? Back in Malaysia, the single socket, right, will cost about 50-ish ringgit, right? This one here, right, these two individual plugs that I got is 15 Canadian dollars, then plus tax is maybe give and take about 18 to $20 versus one, which is about 41 ringgit. The KP303, which is the power strip, it was about 150, 160 Malaysian ringgit. So given that I'm still using the KP303 back home in Malaysia, I can still control my aquarium back home. So this one, I need to control some lights when I'm traveling. So let's just look into the box, see what's in it. This should be a quick one. One thing, buying some stuff from Amazon, the box usually not the best looking, but anyway, it's fine as long as the product works, right? Got some paper. I got one, and we have two. So I think just show one, right? The setup is pretty easy, right? I think you just have to plug it into power. When it gets the power, you have to download the Kasa app. Then just add the device. I think there's a power button. Let me just open this. So there's a power button at the side, activate it. Then when it detects, you just have to add the product into it, select the model, then just go through with the settings. It's very, very straightforward. So I'll be showing you how I set it up when I move my camera around. So it's quite basic. You know, the thing about America's plug, North America region plug, is that their plugs doesn't have a power switch. I always have the phobia of getting electrocuted, but so far everything is safe. Right? So let's get setting up, right? All right, as usual, cables are everywhere because my wife was trying to do some capture card video with Animal Crossing. So I need to figure out which is the switch, right? It's kind of bulky if you put it in. Okay, let me just pull it out. Quite a bulk. If you put it on the wall, it's fine, but you put it on this multi-plug, it's gonna take a lot of space, I suppose. There we go. Okay, finally we're done setting up. I got a call in between. I hope it didn't mess my recording. So when it's connected, there's no light at all. Anyways, that's the light. We can trigger it from here. Wait, can I trigger it from the plug? I think I can, right? Yes, I can. So yeah, pretty much straightforward. For 15 bucks for 2 plugs, I think you can't go wrong with this. If you need more stuff, the strip, of course, every strip has an individual plug by itself. Do get it. It works with Google Assistant, it works with Alexa. I think it also works with IFTTT if you use it, but it's not free, right? You're only having 1 or 2, call it scripts, but I don't know whether it's still free right now, so that you can bind it with your shortcuts in Apple HomeKit. But yeah, this one is not HomeKit friendly. So yeah, it's fine. It works either way. So that'll be all for the video. This is a quick review. Yeah, get it. It's affordable. It's easy to set up. You can't go wrong with it. Even if you're not tech savvy, it takes you about maybe a maximum of 10 minutes. All you need to do is have your Wi-Fi, password ready to key in, to connect, and that's about it. And of course you need Wi-Fi because all this thing works within a network. Right, that will be all. Thanks you for watching. Do check out my other reviews and my other videos in the playlist at the end of the screen. With that, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.